friends, welcome back to Anira Trends. Today here I am with a beautiful floral bangle tutorial, and if suppose you are watching for the first time, you can just click on that red color subscribe button and click on that bell icon for future notifications. Let's get started. Required materials are base bangle, decoupage tissue papers with very tiny prints, and white paint like acrylic paint, brushes and decoupage gloss, that is the glue to be applied over the bangle. Okay, and this is available in all the craft shops. I bought an Itsy Bitsy. So to prep the bangle, here I am applying a thin coat of acrylic paint over the bangle. If suppose you are having any broad brush, you can use that also. Okay, if it is a very light color, it's enough to apply a single coat, and if this is a dark one, you can just apply 2 to 3 coats to cover up the bangle and give a nice look. Also apply your paint over the sides of the bangle too. So here I am done with a single coat. You can just apply another coat once it gets completely dried. So the next step is to trim the designs from the paper, that is the tissue paper, decoupage tissue. So trim the design along the outline of it. And moreover, here we are using the same white color as the base, so it's not required to trim it very precisely. Fine. Trim the designs as much as required for your bangle. If suppose the design is going out of your work area, you can just trim it off. That's not an issue. So as similar to this, get ready with your other flower patterns. So here my bangle is ready, my tissue paper cutouts are ready, my decoupage gloss is there with the flat brush. Flat brush is mandatory here to apply your designs and to apply the gloss. It will be easy. So in this way you should stick the designs over the bangle and apply gloss over the tissue design. Don't worry, once it get dried it will be transparent. Now it looks like very solid one, solid white color, but once it gets dried it will be glossy. So stick the designs one after the other around the bangle. If suppose your designs are going out of your work area, that's not an issue, you can just trim it off. Okay, so apply a coat of gloss, decoupage or Mod Podge gloss over the design. Here I am just folding the excess in the sides of the bangle, as you see. So as similar to this, stick the remaining cutouts. This is a very easy technique, even kids can also do it, but the outcome is like a superb one. Not not only to bangle, you can just stick this to any of your accessories like pendant, jhumka base, or any other earrings. Also on your phone case or any other like pots, ceramic pots, anything, you can just apply this same technique. So here I am done with this designing, that is sticking the cutouts over the bangle, and let it dry, and then apply another coat of decoupage over the same design to get that glossy and neat look. See, here I am applying another coat of glue. This will give glossy look and also will protect the tissue. So let it dry. See, after drying it looks very glossy and good. You can just see the reflection of the lights over the bangle, so it's really glossy. So here is our floral bangle is done. So if you like this video, you can just give it a like and subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Okay, till then, take care friends.